So let's start the bed. For the bed, I'm going to draw one straight line in the middle of the paper. So you can pick 2 points, like one here and connect. Try to draw light, and then I will pick 1 point in here, almost like in the middle. Or you can pick a little bit here or here, doesn't matter. So I can say 1, 2, 3, and then this is the fourth one. So from fourth one to 1 I will connect, and 4 to 3 I will connect. Now from 4 I am thinking this much height I need for my bed. So I will go here, I will make a dot here. This dot will go to 1, at the same time it will go all the way to the 3. So I will take this point and I will go to 1. Same thing I will do here. Now it's time to do the mattress. So for mattress I want this much thick. So same thing, it will go to 1 and it will go to 3. Now from here to here I will make 1 dot. This is the length. So if you want more longer bed, you can do here, and this is the end part of the bed, so maybe here. So this dot will go to all the way 1, and this dot will go all the way to 3. From this dot I'm going to draw one straight line, and this dot also will make one straight line here. So this is the bed. Let me erase and make them light here so we can see the bed. The headrest. For headrest we have 1 point here and 1 point. You can connect all the way up here, straight line, and this straight will go all the way up to this straight line. This is the one way here. Now I will do double lines over here. Think like this. Suppose this is the half, so almost here you have to put a little bit this side, and you can see this line kind of that tilted here, 1, and then you can do the next one. So the pillow will, if you are thinking how much you have to tilt, you can draw a line from here. This is the point number 3. You can draw a line this way, so kind of this one is going up, right? Pillow can be like that, so you don't have to, but if you really want precise one, you can go ahead here and one in the middle. It's totally up to you how many pillows you want. And then we have to erase all the lines from inside. Now we have to think about the blanket. So blanket will also start from here. Suppose I want here all the way here, so I made the dot here. So from here to here. So instead of drawing from here, I will start from here, and only on the bed I will draw. So I got this line. This is the blanket line. Here you have to curve it, if you want really a smooth one, so you can do double of them, and you can same thing you can do here. If you really want precise one, same thing, this dot and this much you want here, this way, and this one will go in here, and we have to erase everything from inside. This is the one way. The second way, if you don't want this thing to be here, it has to come down, so you have to do this one, and then we will make this one a little bit thicker. So suppose I want this much, so from here to here I will draw only on the bed here, and this one will come down, and we will erase everything from inside. And I will do little bit lighter line for these ones, because we cannot see very smooth bed, it's fabric, so we have to do with the freehand style. So from here you are coming here, that's fine, but here we can see the fold, so you can do alphabet V, and from here you can go in like this. But this one, it's not going to be straight, it's going to be curvy here and curvy here. It will go all the way here, and this corner is alphabet V type, so it will be this way. So let's make it light. Let me erase all the extra lines. Now if you want to stop here, you just want to draw, so this is the drawing part is done. You can erase more extra lines, but if you are thinking about the shading, so I will do dark here. This is the mattress. I also want this area to be dark, but not dark like that. And this one is a little bit lighter. So this is the bed. Under this line we need dark shade. And some folds will be here. Blanket, I have to curve, and then from here it will be straight. Same thing over here. Erase a little bit, here and there to give the full look.